Oh boy, there's something in the way.
I pinched my toe.
Oh, I pinched your toe? Are you okay? Oh, I'm sorry. I did not lock you in the dark. I was gonna, but I didn't. Stop. What? You're crying because you got your toe pinched.
No.
You are too. You're not afraid of the dark. Come here. Come here.
Stupid.
Better not call me that. Oh my booger. Let's get you a Kleenex. Holy moly, here you go. Use that hanky.
No.
Icky poop booger. Oh, don't rub it all over your face. That's gross. Go wash your hands. Go wash your hands. Oh, it's on your back of your hand. Oh, that's so gross. Oh, get it. Put it on a hanky. Oh! Gross! You know, that's going to make you... You aren't going to grow if you keep doing that. That stunts your growth. Makes your growth hormones slow down so you don't grow. Boogers are bad to eat. Yuck, it's not good. You won't get tall like Daddy. Stop eating your boogers. Yep. Tell all your friends and your siblings. They're not done growing yet either. They'll probably stay the same height if they keep eating boogers. When did you start eating boogers? Nothing? What do you mean? That's not even an answer to the question I just asked you. When did you start eating boogers? I don't think you've grown since then. That's pretty scary. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't try. I was just playing. Oh, that's bad. Yeah. We'll put some ointment on there. It'll be fine. Let's have a look. It looked like it hurt a little bit. Come here. Oh. I don't want you to touch me anyway. You got boogers on your hands. Little booger monster. Hey, how about you use that hanky? I just gave you a hanky. I haven't even used it yet. It's fresh.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's fresh. It's brand new. I haven't used it.
No, it's not. You did use it.
No, I didn't.
You did use it.
Well, what do you care? You eat boogers.
No, I don't.
Yeah? Come on, let's go put some ice on your toe.
No.
Does it hurt still? Oh, okay. How about we put some peroxide on it just to
No,
Oh, it's okay. Well, you're making a pretty whiny video. So I think we're going to stop recording you. Nobody wants to see a whiner. All right. Okay. We'll see you later.